Hello friends, I'd like to talk to you today about sugar and the effects that it has on your body and your overall health. I know we all love sugar, don't we? But it is not your friend. There's been much research over the decades, the past several decades, probably going back as far as 1950s even, to show that sugar contributes to more than 150 health problems. And I'm not talking about just diabetes and obesity, which probably comes to mind for most of you, but I'm talking about heart disease, kidney disease, liver disease, cancer, severe PMS, acne, infertility, sexual dysfunction, depression. There's so many more. I probably am not even tipping the iceberg to how many health concerns there are from sugar. According to Mark David, author of Nourishing Wisdom, he states that perhaps the most fascinating and best kept medical secret about sugar is that excessive consumption causes calcium loss, which leads to a much publicized disease of our day, osteoporosis. Impossible, you say? Well, osteoporosis and tooth decay are prime examples of problems caused by sugar. And it's not because you're consuming the sugar and it's on your teeth that causes the problem. The problem is that when you eat sugar, the calcium is being pulled from your bones and your teeth and has now increased in proportion in your bloodstream, and the phosphorus that is in your bloodstream is now no longer at levels to help your body absorb the calcium. The ratio is out of balance. So that is just one way that sugar can affect your health. And I know you're thinking, oh, teeth, not a problem, right? I'll just have the dentist give me some false teeth. But there's more to your health and damage that's being done from the sugar than just the visibility of your teeth. So that's something to keep in mind. It used to be that sugar was only available from fruit that has been harvested or honey that's been guarded by the bees. But now that's no longer the case, and it's readily available in most of our processed foods as well. Take yogurt or salad dressing, for instance. I mean, things that people are thinking are healthy, like, oh, I'll have a yogurt, it's good for me. It's got these great digestive enzymes, but you've got a problem with the sugar being present in the yogurt. Perhaps take some plain yogurt and think about sweetening it yourself with some fresh fruit, or if you must use a sweetener, use a little honey or of some sort, or you could even try a little bit of fruit sweetened jam in your yogurt. Much better alternatives than the stuff you're just buying off the shelf that you're not controlling what goes into it, and it's more than just the sugar, but we won't even go there. And salad dressing as another example I touched on, that you're eating this great bowl full of vegetables that will nourish your body wonderfully, and the salad dressing, amongst other things, has sugar in it. So no wonder the health problems brought on by sugar consumption are not well publicized, because the food industry does not want you to know these things. How are they going to make any money if you're no longer purchasing their products? It's a huge business, and it would certainly cut into their profits if we all made our own healthier treats, wouldn't we? Or even salad dressing. I make my own all the time. It's so simple and easy, and I can control what goes into it. So don't be misled by the publicity for processed foods. Regain your health and vitality with knowledge from books that you can borrow from the library, like the Sugar Addicts Total Recovery Program or the Candida related complex, and I could go on and on. And if we don't have the books you're interested in, feel free to look at the interlibrary loan system. There's many other libraries out there that may have the books you're looking for. And I would just like to end with a few quotes. It was said by Thomas Edison, "The doctor of the future will no longer treat human frame with drugs, but rather will cure and prevent disease with nutrition." Well, that's certainly going to cause some problems for the processed food industry, won't it? And not to mention the pharmaceutical industry. Let's see. When diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is correct, medicine is of no need. And that is an Ayurvedic proverb. And there again, not going to line the pockets of some very big businesses. The food you eat can be either the safest and most powerful form of medicine or the slowest form of poison. And that quote is from Ann Wigmore, a holistic and naturopath practitioner. Very interesting that food can be your medicine and the way to control your health. So I challenge you to do your own research, work with a trained healthcare professional, and find a nutrition lifestyle that works for you. I look forward to bringing you a few more health topics, and I hope that it encourages you to improve your health. Have a great day.